Hi, I'm Dr. Papia Bhattacharjee. In this problem, we have a function of two variables. F is 2x minus y plus 3. And we have to find and simplify the function values, the 6 different values. So, let's start with the first one. We have to figure out what is f of 0, 2. So what does that mean? See, f of x, y is given to us. So, we just have to consider x is 0 and y is 2. So, all you have to do is take the expression for the function and plug in x equals 0 and y equals 2. So, let's do that. So, we get 2 times x, and x is 0. So, 2 times 0 minus y, but y is 2, and then plus 3. Then let's simplify this. This is 0 minus 2 plus 3, and 3 minus 2 is 1. So, this value is 1. Okay. For the second one, we continue the same way. Now, we have to figure out f of negative 1, 0. That means negative 1 is your x, 0 is y. And you do the same thing again. You take the expression and plug in the x and the y values in there. So, the expression is 2x, but x is negative 1, so it's 2 times negative 1, minus y, but y is 0, so plug in 0, and then plus 3. Simplify, this is negative 2, negative 0, plus 3. So, 3 minus 2 is again 1. The second value is also 1. Okay, let's go to the third value here. Now, you have to figure out f of 5, 30. So, 5 is x, 30 is y. Okay. Take our expression, 2 times x is equal to 5 minus y is equal to 30 plus 3. So, this is 10 minus 30 plus 3. So, 10 minus 30, that's minus 20. Minus 20 plus 3 is minus 17. Next one, we have to now figure out, look, f of 3, y. So, there is no specific value for y, but we are just keeping y as y. So, the 3 is x. So, all we have to do is just plug in x equals 3 and keep y as it is, right. So, we have 2 times x, but x is 3, minus y, there is no value for y but just y, so just keep it as y and then add 3. So, this is 6 minus y plus 3. You can simplify it further, 6 plus 3 is 9 minus y. So, this is the simplified expression. Next, we have f of x, 4. Again, notice that x is just x, there is no specific value for it. So, we keep x as it is, but we plug in y equals 4 in the expression. So, do that again. So, see, the first term is 2x, we just keep it as 2x, minus, instead of y, you write down 4, and then plus 3. So, this is equal to 2x minus 4 plus 3, and negative 4 positive 3 is negative 1. So, this is 2x minus 1. Finally, the last one, we have to figure out f of 5, t. So, now x is 5 and y is t. So, we are just plugging in another variable for y, which is t. So, again, take your expression, 2x, but x is equal to 5. So, plug in 5 here, then minus, Instead of y, you have to plug in t. And then plus 3. Simplify. This is 10 minus t plus 3. 10 plus 3 is 13. This is 13 minus t. That's the simplified value for the last function value. Thank you.